What's the meaning of assistant? Assistant. Assistant.
Assistant. Assistant. Assistant is a shortened form of the word assistant, and it means a person who helps another person with their work or duties. An assistant can provide support in various ways, such as organizing schedules, managing files and documents, answering phone calls or emails, and performing other tasks as needed. Assistants are often employed in professional settings, such as offices, businesses, and institutions, and they play a vital role in ensuring that operations run smoothly. By assisting others with their workload, assistants help to increase productivity and efficiency, ultimately contributing to the success of the organization.